Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to text zoom in Premiere Pro. First, open your project and add a new text layer to your timeline. You can do this by selecting the Type tool from the toolbar and clicking on your program monitor. Type out your desired text, then adjust its font, size, and color in the Essential Graphics panel to match your project's aesthetic. This foundational step sets up your text for animation. Next, select your text layer in the timeline and navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Search for and apply the Transform effect to your text layer. This effect provides precise control over scale and position. At the beginning of your desired zoom, set a keyframe for both scale and position. Then, move your playhead forward a few seconds to where you want the zoom to end. Now, at your end keyframe, increase the scale value to achieve your desired zoom level. You might also need to adjust the position values to keep your text centered or focused. To make the animation look more natural, right-click on your keyframes in the Effect Controls panel. Choose Temporal Interpolation and select Ease In for the first keyframe and Ease Out for the second. This creates a much smoother, professional transition for your text. Finally, consider adding a subtle Gaussian blur effect to your text layer, keyframing it to increase slightly as the text zooms in. This can add a cinematic depth of field. You can also duplicate your text layer and apply different effects for a layered look. Don't be afraid to experiment with various speeds and durations for your zoom to find what best suits your video's pace and style. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.